everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm having my very first unboxing. I am going to be unboxing my camera. So all along I've been filming from my Canon 2000D, but I thought that it's time that I upgrade to my big girl camera. So this camera is an investment for my YouTube channel. It's going to help me create better videos for you guys. I really want to take YouTubing very seriously, so I thought I should come on here and do this unboxing with you guys in case you're curious, or maybe you're a content creator who's looking for a new camera, or maybe you are a new YouTuber and you're also looking for a new camera. So the camera that I bought, guys, it's the Canon EOS R50, and it's the one that supersedes the Canon M50 Mark II. Actually, the two cameras are very similar in terms of size, but the R50 is more advanced. So this is a content creator kit, and on the box it shows that it comes with the camera, the RFS 18 to 45mm lens, a Canon stereo microphone, a Canon tripod grip, a 32GB memory card, a strap, a battery charger, and a battery pen. So let's open it. So this is what it looks like. So the first box that came out is, what is this? Okay, so on the box it says it's the stereo microphone and windscreen. And, okay. Okay, so I guess this is the windscreen. Okay. Oh, and this is the microphone. Okay, so this is the microphone and this is the windscreen. And then the next is the tripod grip. Yep. Too many small things inside. Okay. I think I'll have to put this together a bit later. Okay. Alright, I think this is a strap for the tripod. Okay. And this is the last piece. And the next item is the strap for the camera. And then we have the camera itself. I hope you guys can see it. It's very small and lightweight. And then we have the lens. So this is an RFS lens, the 18 to 45mm. And the cover. And then the last item, last but not least item, is the battery. And here it is. So this camera is lightweight, so it's great for vlogging, traveling, and for everyday use. It has got a tracking system, it has an electronic viewfinder, it's got a full touch screen, 10-bit color mode, focus bracketing, it's got no cropping mode, it's got great auto subject detection, and for photography, if you want to take a picture, it takes 3 different pictures with different filters, so it makes the editing process very easy, and that is perfect for social media. So now let me try to put all these pieces together. So it comes with a viewfinder. This viewfinder is going to make my life a lot easier because the Canon 2000D that I was using did not have a viewfinder. Okay, so the battery goes in here. I think I'm gonna need to charge it first. Okay, there's no need for me to put the battery here. I would rather put it in the charger so that I can go and charge it later. And then the tripod. It's for too many pieces, the tripod. Okay, I think this one goes here. Is it? Yeah. And then, what is this? Okay, alright. And then here. And also my Canon 2000D does not have a microphone jack. This is also one of the things that pushed me to get a new camera because I wanted to improve on my sound. So it goes here. Okay. Alright, so the viewfinder opens from the bottom and the camera jack, it's on the side here. So this is where it goes. Okay, and the windshield. So I think it goes in like this. Is it? I'm gonna have to figure it out away from the camera. Okay, so this goes in there. And then oops, okay. Microphone. Okay. So now I'm trying to put the lens and the camera together, and I understand that the red part on the lens and on the camera, they should coincide. So it must make a click sound. So let's see how it goes. Did I do it right? Okay. And what's this? Am I supposed to open these things or what? I really have a lot to learn. I'm gonna have to study these manuals and watch other YouTube videos because I am clueless. Okay, so where is the screw that goes? All right, okay, let me see. I see, there it is. Does it not go straight? No. Okay guys, am I starting to look like a serious YouTuber? I don't know what this is and where it's supposed to go, but it is for the tripod. I'm gonna have to figure out a lot of these functions on my own. Does it suit me? As for the prices, I bought this camera for 14,999 and I got this from Cameraland at Sandton City. So you guys, let me know what you think about this camera. Do you think that this is a good purchase? As for me, I really can't wait to start using this camera. When I was looking for a camera, I had three cameras in mind. There was the Canon M50, the R50, and the Sony V10. But then I went for this one because it was coming as a kit for that price, whereas the other cameras were just coming as standalone cameras. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. That was the unboxing for my new camera, the Canon EOS R50. I really can't wait to play around with this camera. Do stay tuned for the new content that I'm going to be creating on this camera. Until the next one, bye bye.